Hello my dear students, I hope you all are fine. So here in this video we are going to begin a new chapter, that is chapter 6. The name of the chapter is Work Around Us. So this is a very valuable chapter, okay? As we are going to discuss about different type of work, and to do that we need some skill means students ability, okay? So that one also we are going to learn in this chapter. And as you know, different kind of work like farming, construction, art and craft, they also need some different kind of skill, okay? Skill means what, students? When a person is expert in that work, so that means that person has that skill, okay, that ability to do that work, okay? So that is called your skill. Now you see here some fill in the blanks are given, also some options are there. So here one by one you have to see, okay, these people and what they do, what is their job, that one you have to write. So for example, one number is given a cobbler. So what do a cobbler do? Cobbler mends shoes, so you have to write here mend shoes. A sweeper cleans places, so you have to write here. A driver drives vehicles, so you have to write it here, okay? So in this way you have to fill these blanks, okay? Question number 4, here you see a greengrocer. Greengrocer, what they do? They used to sell fruits and vegetables, so you have to write it. This one sells fruits and vegetables. So in this way you have to complete it. Now you see here it is written that all these people, they do different kind of work to earn a living. To earn a living, that means they used to do this kind of work to earn something, okay, to earn money so that they can live, okay? In class 3 we learn that any work that help a person to earn a living is called an occupation. What do you mean by occupation, students? That means when a person is doing some work to earn, okay, there he is getting money, so that job is his or her occupation, okay? Now earning a livelihood enables us to live comfortably. Let us learn more about the different kind of jobs. Now in this chapter we will discuss on different kind of job that people do, and here you can see jobs that people do, okay? So as I told you about ability, that means people do the job according to their ability, which one they can do. So people used to do the work which they are expert in, okay? That is their ability. Like teachers teach students in school, right? So that means what is the ability of the teacher? That means they can teach. So that is why like I'm teaching you, right? So this is one kind of my skill, okay? Doctor and nurses treat people when they are sick. So if some people getting sick, who can help them? Doctor and nurses. So that they are what? They have skill in that. Now lawyers help people to get justice, okay? Policemen maintain law and order and protect people, and traffic policemen regulate traffic. I think you all know about this, okay? So here you can see they all know their job properly. That means what they need to do, okay? So that means they have skill in that work, okay? So people in the entertainment world also help us to stay happy and cheerful, right? So if you are watching something, you are getting happiness, okay? So the from entertainment world also we we can be happy and we can live cheerfully. So these people also work as a actor, director, musician, etc. So many are there, okay? Entertainment dancers are also there, okay? Choreographers are there, so many are there. So some people work as trader who who deal in the buying and selling of things. That means not only the people who are skilled in some particular work, but also some people who used to do what? Trading, okay? Traders means what? Who do trading, that means buying and selling the things, okay? So whenever we go to market, we used to buy the things from traders, okay? A farmer grows crops to provide food for us, okay? That means farmers, they used to do cultivation, and from there they grow crops, and from there we can get food for us. So a mechanic repair a vehicle. So there are some example given here. So if your car get some disturbance, you are facing some problem, so who can help you? A mechanic, okay? So in this way, people have different, like there are different categories, different groups, okay, and in that people have skill and they do their job. A florist sells flower, a grocer sells grocery, and chemist sell medicines. Okay, so medicines cannot be taken from, like, anyone, because that one we have to take from chemist cells only, because chemists can advise us, or they can give us the correct medicine according to the prescriptions. So we depend on all these people for our daily needs. So not only it's not that if you are doing our work, so we are dependent on that only, because in our livelihood, to live a life, we need a lot of help from some people. Suppose you are suppose you are getting up in the morning, then you need some means you need to go out. Okay, for that you need your breakfast right now. So if you have maid in your home, so she or he can prepare for it, so they can help us, right? Domestic helpers, they can help. Okay, then security guards, okay, then policeman, so many, like in a day. Okay, in a day, every day we need the help of some people, okay, in our daily life. Okay, so we will discuss more in this, like who are the people who can help us in daily basis. So let's see page number 40. Okay, so you see, people also work in tea stalls, wash and iron clothes, extract minerals from deep inside the earth, and even play sports to earn a living. Many people work in offices. So here are some works given which people used to do for their living, okay, to earn money. Okay, now you see how people learn their skills. So to do a particular job, right, that means like many people work in office. So to work in office, they need education, right? So from where they are getting the skills, so we will learn it here. So as I told you, that a skill is an ability to do a certain task well. That means that person is expert in that. Okay, so that is called the skill. Okay, that means that is the skill of that person. So it can be improved with practice. Okay, suppose everyone is not expert in everything. Okay, but that can be acquired. Okay, that can be learned. Okay, and if we do more and more practice, then we can improve it. As I told you in case of maths, okay, always you do practice. Why I say that? Because if you do practice, then you can improve yourself. Okay, there will be less chances of any kind of mistake. So that is why that is very, very important, not only for your study but also for doing some other works also. Some jobs like craft work or building a structure need people to have special skills and expertise. Okay, so expertise means students having knowledge at particular field. Okay, that means expert in that work. However, some jobs like cleaning and washing do not require any special skill. Okay, that means to clean or to wash anything, we do not need any kind of special skill, right? We can do that. Skilled workers may have an inborn natural talent or may acquire it through training in a certain craft or work. So that means natural talent means what? Students, which one we inherit from our family, so that is called natural talent. Naturally they can grow the natural talent. Okay, but in some cases, means, as I told you, that everyone is not expert in every field, right? But we can acquire it. That means we can learn. Okay, so that one can be done through training. Some people learn some skills by working with somebody as an apprentice or trainee. Apprentice means what, students? That means if you are involved with someone, okay, and for a brief period of time, and after that to get to means learn that skill, and when you completed that course or your duration is completed, then you can leave from there. Okay, so that is called your apprentice. That is also called trainee. Okay, that means when you are joining that institution, you are learning that, and then you can apply it. Some skills are learned by observing other people who are skilled in a particular craft. Okay, that means not only like we can get admission, or we take training in that particular institution, but also in some cases by observing also we can acquire some skill. Okay, that means by observing that work, suppose some person is doing some work in front of you, so by looking at that, by observing the steps, you can also try it. Okay, Sometimes skills are localized within a family or and are learned from elders and parents, such as embroidering, stitching, tailoring, plumbing, pottery, and even machinery. Okay, that means students, localized means what? That means which one we have in local. That means we have available that, and that one we can learn from our elders also. Okay, from our parents, from our family. So like embroidery. Embroidery means I think if you can ask your mother or grandmother, so they can explain you about this. Stitching with a thread in a cloth. Okay, so that is called, and making a beautiful design, so that is called embroidery. And now also in some particular states it is very famous. Okay, like West Bengal, embroidery is very famous, and even though now in our dresses also we can get this. Okay, embroidering. So this is a very means this gives a unique finish in your clothes, and very good design. And stitching, as you know. Then tailoring is also part of stitching, where if you go to a tailor, then they can stitch your cloth according to you, how you want. Okay, by measuring. So plumbing is also one kind of work which can be learned from the elders. Pottery and even machinery. Okay, so these are some work, like if you see these people, so you will see that they in their family some are involved in that work, and they used to follow them, and when they grow up, so they also become that. Okay, so that means it comes from the family also. So these skills are usually passed on from one generation to next. That means, as I told you, that when their father or grandfather used to do that, then by observing that, generation after generation, that means one after another, so they used to follow that, and they used to do that for their livelihood. Okay, so certain parts of India have become famous for a particular service of craft. Okay, service or craft, that means students, as I told you about embroidery. So some states are famous for that. As you can see here, Bandhani cloth. So you can see the pattern, the designs. Okay, so this one you cannot get in other places. Okay, if you get, then also like it will be exported from that state only. So Bandhani cloth is famous in Rajasthan. Okay, and Gujarat also. So from there the production used to be done, and we can get it here. Okay, we can get it here as it is exported from that place. Okay, so these are some common designs, common work. Okay, famous craft work. Okay, which are which used to be famous in that place. Okay, you can see another picture over here. So this one is Paschima shawl. Okay, so Paschima shawl is famous in Kashmir. If you go there, so this kind of shawl you will see. So you can see the beautiful pattern, the different colors used here. Okay, so like this way, so many designs are there, and they are famous in Kashmir. Okay, so in this way, so many craft work are there. As I told you about embroidery, that is also called Kantha work, which is famous in West Bengal. Fulkari is very famous in Punjab. Okay, and you can see here pottery, or making earthen pots using potter's wheel also is also a special skill. Okay, because in class 3 you already learn about this pottery. So there also you know that two methods are there: hand building method, wheel method. Okay, though by using wheel method we can make it, but that also need so many training, then only we can make, otherwise it is not possible. Okay, so that is why it is said that to do this kind of work also it needs specialized skill. If you have skill, if you learn that, if you acquire that, then only you can do. So from here we understand, students, that all the works that people do that need some skill. Okay, then only we can do, except some work which are like daily basis, like cleaning, washing. So that one we can do, means everyone we can do, even though we are not having skill in that. But some works, they really need some skill, so that we can do that work properly. Okay, so today I will finish my video here only up to this much. In my next video I will discuss the next part of this chapter. Thank you.